Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can modify the SEO settings of your website on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, once you're on your site on Squarespace, the first thing you're going to want to do is go into settings, and you're going to go into marketing. Once you're here, you have the SEO appearance, which you can freely modify if you so choose. And here you have a couple of different things. You have the SEO appearance right over here. You have the SEO title format, which you can change. And you also have the SEO checklist, the Google search keywords, and hire an SEO expert if you want. But if we go to Google search keywords, here you can modify the keywords to your site. Now, of course, you do need to verify your site with the Search Console, which is a third-party site which you will need to be using to modify and to edit your SEO options over here. This is specifically for Google, so I'm not sure how it'll work for other search engines such as, I don't know, DuckDuckGo or Bing. But yeah. If we go back into marketing, you also have the SEO checklist, which can be very helpful. It'll open up a new tab, and here you can see a support article of the SEO checklist, which pretty much tells you everything you need to add to optimize the SEO of your site. And that is pretty much it. Now, what I would also recommend is go into third-party tools. You can connect accounts to several other things, such as the Search Console, which you will need for SEO, but yeah, you might be able to go into extensions, and you might be able to find any extensions that help with SEO, and that is basically all you need to do. It is very easy to do, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.